windy. It's in the 50s now, but it's supposed to dip. But yeah, it is windy today. Got a wind advisory this morning. I'm in the garage for safety reasons. Duh. Here comes another gust of wind. Clouds are just moving this morning. Yes, the clouds are moving this morning. But I just thought I would come on and show you this today. Gotta start my day, get breakfast, and I will see everybody next time. Bye-bye. Yeah, just whipping today. Well, I'm Carrie Knopf, and I'll see everybody next time. Bye-bye.